So guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find Thomas the Train filter in Snapchat. So I'll show you two way you can find those filter. First, open your Snapchat and tap on this filter button near to camera. I have already few Thomas filter. Now at the bottom you can see this smiley button, tap there. This is more filter button. Now we are in the filter gallery, tap on search and search for Thomas. Okay, not all the filter are Thomas the Train filter, but you can find few of them here. To try this lens, you have to tap on try lens. Okay, and the lens is here. You can try it. Okay, so this is one method, and the second one, you can visit my web page. And I have already this site open. I'll give the link to this site in the description box below. You can find this Thomas the Train filters here. To try this filter, you just have to scan the snap code, or you can tap on the link below and it will open in Snapchat. Okay, so this is it guys. Likewise, you can get this Thomas the Train filter in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.